What's up, guys? It is Wednesday, December 14th. It's 10:36 a.m. and this is the crypto market update. And I'm going to just share one chart today, one chart that's going to tell us all. And this is the 2-week Bitcoin chart. And if we're really just scaling back, looking at the whole entire history of Bitcoin, you can really see that we just continue on the same pattern where we go up in our bull run, we have our bear market, we have a trend line that sets in at the top. Then once we break through that, it's game on. Then we repeat. We go into our bear market, we have the trend line coming down from the top, we break out of it, and then we repeat. Trend line coming from the top, break out, repeat, break out, repeat. And then we're so close. We are so close to a potential breakout. And you know what comes next. It's always a repeat, right? And we're sitting on top of the previous all-time high here. You can see with the candle right here. And yeah, it's just a great zone as far as finding a bottom, right? And then if we go down to the bottom indicators here, 2-week chart, you can see like it really seems like we're on the precipice of a explosion in price. We're curling up here, getting ready to break through the 20 line on the 2-week chart. This candle closes in 4 days and 9 hours. And we're very close. Every single time that we do break out of this kind of bear market trend, we have to get the stock RSI on the 2-week chart through the 20 line. Check. Then we need to see a cross of the TSI. So let me pull this. A cross of the TSI right here. Check. Then back here, cross up the 20 line and stock RSI, TSI cross, check. Then over here, cross of the 2-week stock RSI up, TSI cross, check, right? Now we're so close being at where we're at for a stock RSI cross through the 20 line. If we maintain what we're doing, we're above 18,000, right? If we maintain what we're doing, we're going to see that stock RSI cross through the 20 line. We're going to see that MACD flip from red to green, and we're going to see that TSI cross as well too. We're at an area where this is all about to shape up and take place. So what I'm seeing is something on the horizon as far as a news catalyst, an event, or a fundamental catalyst to really push cryptos out of this bear market that it's in. It's either we're going to get a black swan, like totally wreck the market type scenario, or we're going to really just fire out of these bottoms. And if we're looking at the TSI, right? Like we can only just look at this because this spells it all in the 2-week chart. It really clears up all the noise. And you can see that we have kind of like lower lows. So we had this is our bear market bottom in 2015, our bear market bottom in 2019, and we're getting ready to set our bear market bottom in the end of 2022, early 2023. Then we have our bull market tops, April 2013. Then we set another top, November 2013. Then we have our top in December 2017. And then we have our top in April and May 2021. And if we're just looking at this general ebb and flow, right? It's like a sine wave. You can see that naturally we're at that point of maximum opportunity. I mean, we could go lower here, but you're really banking on a big event to shock the markets for that to happen. So 2 scenarios, that to be the case, or we curl up here and we shoot and we're getting ready to start our bull market. As you can see, just cutting out all the noise. Once we cross on the 2-week chart in the TSI, that's where we set our bottom. So, and then bottom. So right now, once we see that TSI cross up on the 2-week chart, I will let you know, because that will be, to me, in my eyes, the start of the next bull market. And I believe the next bull market is going to be the hyper boom, where we go into a hyper drive wave of bull market in the ISO coins, the coins that have utility. So by Bitcoin doing this in this chart, it's getting ready to signal us that, hey, all these other coins, these altcoins like Stellar, XRP, are going to get ready to fire. So that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one in the newsletter. Remember, we're doing the 12 days till Christmas special. We're running an insane discount to get access to the automated signals here. In the Discord, we have all these crypto signals here, as well as stocks and other signals and exotic signals where we do pair to pair. So if we look at that, we can see we have huge signals flashing as far as the pair to pair coin. So if you haven't already, the link will be in the bio. We're doing the 12 days till Christmas special. If you see that pricing plan there, then jump on it immediately, because once the spots are filled up as well too, we're going to take it down. So would love to see you in the Discord. Once you get in, say what up. I will say what up too, and I will see you in the newsletter.